Everyone wants a house they can move into and not have to worry about doing anything at all. Hi everyone, Krista, Mashore Homes by Krista. This house has granite countertops, hardwood floors, and so much more. So come on in, let's take a look. What'd you think? You hardly have to do anything. This house is a great location if you're commuting over the hill via Vasco. It's just 1 or 2 minutes right from Vasco Road. Also, it's walking distance to downtown. Please like, forward, or share this video. It's a crazy market, so we gotta get it out, the word out fast. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Make it a super awesome home selling and buying day, and I will see you next time.